elevate your game, understanding, kick it up a notch. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and widely used phrase in the English language, kick it up a notch. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in your English studies, understanding such phrases can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Kick it up a notch is an idiomatic expression that means to increase the intensity, effort, or enthusiasm in what you're doing. It's like saying, let's do this even better, or let's take this to the next level. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from cooking to business, and even in personal development. The phrase, kick it up a notch, gained popularity through American celebrity chef Emeril Lagasse, who would often use it on his cooking shows when adding ingredients to make a dish more flavorful. The phrase has since transcended the kitchen, finding its place in everyday language to denote enhancing or intensifying any activity or situation. 1. In cooking, this soup tastes good, but let's kick it up a notch by adding some more spices. 2. In business, our sales are good, but we really need to kick it up a notch this quarter to meet our annual goals. 3. In personal goals, I've been jogging regularly, but now I want to kick it up a notch and start training for a marathon. 4. In entertainment, the party is going well, but let's kick it up a notch with some dance music. While versatile, kick it up a notch is best used in informal settings. It might not be suitable for very formal or serious contexts where a more straightforward or professional tone is required. Understanding the appropriateness of idiomatic expressions is key to effective communication. Understanding and using phrases like, kick it up a notch, can add vibrancy to your English speaking and writing. It's a fun way to express the idea of intensifying efforts or experiences. We hope this video has helped clarify how and when to use this phrase. Remember, learning a language is a journey, so keep exploring and don't be afraid to kick your English learning up a notch. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.